Hey, good people, it's Uriah Duffy here, and this morning I woke up to an email saying that my my Facebook account was compromised and possibly someone tried to hack into it. As it stands now, my Facebook account is totally gone, and they are also the owners of Instagram, so that is also done as well. I went through the steps, the security steps to regain access and control and change my password to something more secure. But once I did that and I got in my account, it kicked me out right away, kicked me out of Instagram as well, and I no longer have access. There's also no recourse, as when I go through all the steps to try to figure this out, it says I have violated some sort of community guidelines, which I know is untrue. I've been on this platform since '07 and haven't even gotten one warning for any of the type of content I produce. As you know, this is very important, especially in these times where we have this stay-at-home business. This is one of the major hubs of my social media, is one of the major hubs of running my business as a bass player. And yeah, this is really, really odd to me. So what I ask is, if any of you, any of my community and my friends knows anyone that works nearby down the road at Facebook, wondering why there's no recourse here, because I didn't do this. So there's got to be a way. There's got to be a way in. So if any of you need to get in touch with me, definitely hit me up on my email, uriah@uriahduffy.com. That's still working. Or if you got my phone number, just text me on that. Marco Polo is another great way I've been keeping in touch during this whole thing. So just get at me. And if you have any info at all of what I could do, let me know. And stay tuned. I'll have more content. Maybe I'll just have to post more stuff here on YouTube. Peace.